Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to Ledger and Lace. Today I'm going to show a traveler's notebook that I made out of this purse. This is what's left of it. And I made a couple notebooks, but I'm just going to show this one. This is for my new course coming up. This was a Wilson's leather purse, and this is for a friend of mine. This is her happy color. So I did a fake wax seal with hot glue, and that's the charm on here, and then I have a little charm on here. This helps if you have a notebook cover that just looks the same front and back. This helps to have something at the top so you can say, oh, that's the top, and then you're not opening the notebook upside down. So let's go in, and so pocket, here's my card, here's a notebook and another notebook. I'll show you these are the elastics I did. So it's 1mm elastic, because these are small notebook. This is field note size. So, but there's lots of room to add more notebooks. And then here's the last notebook with a pen loop and a Pilot Precise V7 pen, which is one of my new favorite pens. And then here's the back. And then you can see I did, she wanted a bendy kind of spine. She didn't want like a firm spine like I do with some of my other notebooks. So that's what we did. All right. So I'll be having some updates with when this course is available, but I'm doing leather. I've got different purses. I've got books. I've got a lot of other stuff too. So, okay. But for now, that's it. Bye.